What if Hannibal had brought siege engines when crossing the Alps in 218 BCE? The Carthaginian general already crushed Roman armies at Trebia in Lake Trasimene, but without siege equipment, he couldn't breach Rome's massive walls. With catapults and battering rams, the story changes completely. Rome would have fallen within months of his Alpine crossing. No Roman Empire means Latin never spreads across Europe. Germanic tribes dominate the continent instead of Roman legions. Christianity develops entirely differently without Roman roads and organization. Maybe it never becomes a major religion at all. The Renaissance happens in Germanic kingdoms, not Italian city-states. Columbus never sails west because Spain remains a collection of tribal territories. The Americas stay isolated for centuries longer. No Latin means French, Spanish, and Italian languages never exist. Our entire modern world would be unrecognizable, all because one general brought the right equipment.